ਜਿਹੜੀ ਧੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਠਾਤ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ
Okay, so
marhaba.
okay, now we're gonna do vacuum car, and then we're gonna check the back side. Okay, the vacuum just got done, so now I'm gonna take this outside car wash. Okay, so we just got done the vacuum. Alright, I just got done the vacuum inside the car, and now we're gonna take outside car wash, take care, and let's see if there's big line or not. So so they have 3 lines here, and this is the automatic scanner right here, and that's how it works. If you have the tag, you know, then you don't have to worry about it. If you don't have a tag on the windshield, and then you have to stop for a minute over there. Okay. So I always close the outside mirror just in case to be, you know, be a little more safer. All right, here we go. Car wash. And the Mr. Car Wash, you know, they're always really good washing cars. And I never have any issue or complaints, nothing. They are so good and up to date all the time with the technology, and to make sure, they always make sure to provide the best quality car wash. Yeah, my dad just notified those ones stopped. So I guess one of the unit wasn't working. It's just happened today. Most of the time, otherwise it was okay. Good, I mean. I think it was just the time. One of the thing wasn't working, but other than that, I will never have any problem. So
मोहम्मद ये बात कर
all right, that was Mr. Car Wash. And now we can go head back to the road.
ऐसे
Yeah. Today's road is pretty busy. There's people walking, so I'm gonna back up a little bit. Oh God, they're
इधर है नहीं और
just dealing with the traffic right now. All right, now we are heading to the Best Buy. I'm gonna show you guys what new technology they have right now. They always stay up to date with the new technology, the Best Buy store. Today we got pretty bright sun. It's good sign, you know. This year in here in Spokane, the cold weather stay very long. So a couple days ago it was like 70-degree temperature, but that was just a few days, and then good. Then temperature dropped back to 45 again, and now today is a 60, so which is good, and it's gonna get better. But the next few days it's gonna be just a rain, and we're gonna try our best to bring you guys bring to new video.
ये बंदे स्टोर से क्यों नहीं ये बंदे स्टोर
ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਜਾਣੇ ਆ।
मैं चल पड़ा
Here we at the Best Buy.
स्टोर से जाओ
Here is the Best Buy.
ਬੋਲ ਅੰਦਰ ਬਸ
All right, well, let's park the car.